Welcome to the How-To Studio. In this video, I will show you how you can pin folders and files to quick access. So right now I have a bunch of folders here, and if I wanted to unpin them, all I would have to do is just right click and then click unpin from quick access. You can also do it from the sidebar as well. Just right click and then click unpin from quick access. Now, if you wanted to pin a file to quick access, well, let's go to the file here. Let's open Windows here. And let's say I wanted to pin this folder to quick access. All you would have to do is just right click and then you click pin to quick access and then your folder will be pinned. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give this video a thumbs up. Also consider subscribing. I thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.